Good morning, everyone. My name is Mangaliso Theophilus Khumalo. I'm a student at UNISA doing Bachelor of Arts in Forensic Science and Technology. I'm appealing to anyone who can assist me with my funding, with funding actually. I'm passionate about investigations and solving the issue of crime. I know that most of us in South Africa were complaining that the government cannot assist with solving the issue of crime. So if we can have more people, especially private investigators and qualified security personnel, I'm quite sure that we can solve such problems without any hassle. So investing in someone like me, you would be assisting even yourself and other people who might be the victims of crime. We need to fight crime in every way that you can and also assist the government or the police to deal with crime so that you can live in a safe and a peaceful environment of this country. Any good Samaritan out there, please assist with my funding. I am passionate about this thing of fighting crime. Thank you so much.